war veterans divided and fighting over new cars given out by Zanu PF. Zarabena mashoko arikona kwa case yoitika kuma war veterans. Pamsoro awapedzi motokari neupfumi nyika yeZimbabwe ndobo subscribe or like on the bell kuti mna mpremo Zimbabwe mudanyura chiti. There is serious tension among members of the Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association ZNLWVA. Some members are angry and want to remove their leader Andreas Ethan Matibela, accusing him of going against the group's values and benefiting from support by ZANU PF. The conflict started after reports that Matibela and a few others collected brand new cars from a local dealership in Harare. This sudden wealth has upset many members of the group. They suspect Matibela may have accepted benefits in exchange for no longer criticizing ZANU PF. Some fear he has been bought by the party. In an audio message sent to the executive members, Matibela denied these claims. He said his money comes from a $16 million contract with the Bulawayo City Council to fix roads, sewer, and water systems. People are attacking my name and trying to remove me as chairman, he said. Matibela explained that being chairman doesn't stop him from running a business and making money. He added, I don't ask others how they earn their money. We meet to discuss our welfare. What people do daily to earn a living is their private matter. If you want to remove me, go ahead. But ask yourself, what will you gain? Matibela confirmed to the Standard that the audio was real and said he only wanted to calm fears, that he had been paid off to stay quiet. He confirmed he owns a construction company called Morena Private Limited, which got the Bulawayo contract. When asked if Matibela's company had a contract with the city, Bulawayo Mayor David KUTYA said he didn't know and suggest speaking to the council spokesperson, Mrs. Mpofu. She had not replied to questions by the time of publishing. Despite the arguments, Matibela said he will not step down. We will meet with the executive. I will make my position clear. I am still the leader and there is no confusion about that. Earlier this year, Matibela had openly criticized President mnangagwa and called for him to step down, saying the president had failed to stop corruption and bad governance. This made him a problem for the ruling party. To the mafunguro emarudi pamsoro pekiyos yoitika aiwa kuma war veterans. Mangwane pane ma allegations ekunzi wana Matibela kunyangwe vakambocriticize the ruling party ZANU-PF, but right now they've been bribed backwards motokari and now they've silenced my allegations. Aiwa nemashoko ekuti mutungamiri wenyika step down. Nakume section medu kuti mafunguro enyimoti kudi pamsoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.